Roch Marc Christian Kaboré is a Burkina politician who was president of Burkina Faso from 2015 until his deposing in 2022. He was the Prime Minister of Burkina Faso between 1994 and 1996 and President of the National Assembly of Burkina Faso from 2002 to 2012. Kaboré was also President of the Congress for Democracy and Progress until his departure from the party in 2014. He founded the People's Movement for Progress Party that same year. Kaboré was elected president in the November 2015 general election, winning a majority in the first round of voting. Upon taking office, he became the first non-interim president in 49 years without any past ties to the military. Kaboré worked as a banker prior to his political career. On 24 January 2022, during the 2022 Burkinabé coup d'état, Kaboré was detained and deposed by the military. After the announcement, the military declared that the parliament, government, and constitution had been dissolved. Kaboré was born in Ouagadougou, the capital city of Burkina Faso, then called Upper Volta. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.